So the theater manager finally gets the movie off, but by that time, most of the moviegoers had already...
we have got to talk about your room. It smells like shit in there.
Well, I'm sorry, but I mean, I tried to clean it. I just had a test to study. Help. Help. Can anyone hear me?
Silence!
I don't have any money. I mean, what do you want from me?
We don't want money. We want answers. Understand?
Yeah, okay.
What do you smell?
What do I smell?
What do you smell?
I mean, I guess the ocean. Are we near the beach?
Good.
Good.
What you were smelling was our new Febreze scent, Ocean Breeze.
Good for all surfaces.
Except for wood.
Do not spray on eyes.
What?
Now, how about this next one?
Don't worry, there are no wrong answers.
No, dude, let me go.
What does it smell like?
I don't know.
Lemony, mangoey, orangey, or a combination of the three.
I don't know. A combination of the three.
Wrong! It was just lemon and oranges.
Control yourself. We're not finished with them yet.
You're right. That was a new Febreze tropical spray.
Good for all surfaces.
Except wood.
Do not spray on ice.
Man, thought I'd check up on you. Smells good in here.
Run.
Stop struggling!
Start fighting!
Febreze air freshener and odor eliminator. Good for all surfaces, except for wood.
My eyes!
Do not spray on eyes.
Febreze 2 for 1.